How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. And today I just wanted to quickly answer the question, are VPNs illegal? The answer is no in most countries, but here I just wanted to kind of list a few countries where VPNs may be either legal or tightly regulated and whatnot. Of course, if you're looking for VPNs that do work in censorship-heavy countries, I have 3 suggestions right here. So if you guys are interested in any of these, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about these VPNs with regards to the privacy policy, speed streaming, torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. Okay, so here are a few countries where VPNs could be illegal. So for example, in China, it is tightly regulated, and you may even have trouble operating NordVPN or Surfshark unless you do some manual configuration here and there, in which case I would recommend ExpressVPN. And that's exclusive to China because China has the Great Firewall of China, which is a very advanced firewall that blocks everything. This is where Express comes in because it's pretty much the best VPN for China. Whereas in other restrictive countries, you could actually get by using Surfshark and NordVPN. You'll be able to bypass their firewall. So in China, it's tightly regulated. In Russia, there's a complete ban. In Belarus, it's a complete ban as well. North Korea, complete ban. Turkmenistan, complete ban. Uganda, partially blocked. Iraq, complete ban. Turkey, complete ban. UAE, tightly regulated. And Oman, complete ban. So as you can tell, it depends on the country you're in. And, you should definitely check your own local laws to make sure that everything you're doing is within the bounds of the law so that you don't get in trouble. And of course, once you understand that, you're able to know what to do. So in a lot of these countries, even where VPN use could be tightly regulated or partially blocked, there are some things you might want to understand. So even in countries where VPNs are not banned, such as the United States, you are not allowed to illegally file share, especially with regards to copyrighted material, such as the States, for example. If you're using a VPN to do illicit activities, such as hacking or restricted materials or cyber stalking, that is still illegal whether using a VPN or not. So again, you have to make sure that you understand the laws of the country that you're in so that you know how to use the VPN legally. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. VPNs, for the most part, are not illegal, but you should understand what's legal and what's illegal about the use of VPNs in your country. So again, make sure that you're using a premium VPN, not a free VPN, because that will get you into trouble, especially with regards to the privacy policy and with regards to keeping tracks of your logs and online activity. These VPNs will cover that for you. So they have a very strict no logs policy, especially ExpressVPN. It's as much of a plug and play VPN as it can get, especially if you're in a censorship heavy country. Okay, so again, if you guys want to learn more about these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts as well as full reviews in the description down below. And they do have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try out these VPNs risk-free, all right? Comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.